In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Gmail using Make.com. This process will streamline your workflow by allowing easy data sharing between two of your essential productivity tools. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to Make.com. This platform offers a seamless way to automate and integrate various applications, making your digital tasks more efficient. Once you're on the Make dashboard, look for the option to create a new scenario. Think of this as the starting point for your automation journey. Clicking on this will open up a canvas where you'll build your integration step by step. Now, after initiating a new scenario, you're prompted to select a template. For our purpose today, we'll choose the blank option. Starting with the blank canvas allows us to tailor the automation to our specific needs, giving us full control over how Notion and Gmail will interact. Next, it's time to add the Gmail module. This module serves as the bridge between Make and your Gmail account. By including this in your scenario, you enable the platform to interact with your emails, extracting and processing data as required. Typically, Make will guide you through connecting to your Gmail by asking for permission. This is a standard step to ensure that your data remains secure and that you grant only necessary access. With the Gmail module in place, we'll turn our attention to Notion. Add the Notion module to your scenario canvas. If you're familiar with Notion, you know how versatile and powerful it is for organizing and managing information. By integrating it with Gmail, you can, for instance, automate the transfer of specific email content directly into your Notion database, making information retrieval and management significantly more convenient. After both modules are set up on your scenario, the next step is crucial: configuring each module to perform the precise tasks you need. For Gmail, you might specify that emails from a certain sender or those that contain specific keywords should trigger an action. Meanwhile, in the Notion module, you'll designate where and how this information should be stored. This flexibility ensures that your integration works exactly how you imagine, accommodating your unique workflow requirements. Finally, all that's left is to run the scenario. By running it, you're effectively testing your setup to ensure everything functions as planned. Make.com will execute the actions defined in your scenario, linking data from Gmail to Notion. It's at this stage you'll see the magic happen as emails seamlessly populate your Notion workspace, ready for you to use. There you have it, a straightforward but powerful way to connect Notion to Gmail using Make.com. By integrating these two tools, you'll unlock new levels of efficiency in how you manage and process your data. We hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to follow. Thank you for watching.